In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M33 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this Samsung. You need to start by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit and tap on Display. Then scroll down again, click on Font Size and Style. And finally, swipe left or right on this font size slider in order to adjust it. You can see a preview above. When you're ready, tap on the back button and as you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!